Hey everyone! Today we're going to draw a beautiful burning candle step by step. Start by lightly sketching the outline of the candle using a 2B pencil. Keep your lines soft and simple. Focus on getting the basic shape right, including the wick and the flame. Now begin adding base colors using brush pens. Start with yellow at the upper part of the candle, where the light from the flame is strongest. Then, blend orange into the middle section to create a smooth transition. For the lower areas and shadows, use brown to add depth and make the candle look more realistic. Take your time while blending these colors so the candle looks smooth and natural. Don't rush this step, it really makes a big difference. Next, move to the background. Use a black colored pencil to fill the background around the candle. Once done, go over it with oil pastels to make it darker and richer. This contrast will help the candle glow stand out beautifully. Now focus on the flame. Use yellow and a little orange to color the inner part of the flame, keeping the center brighter. You can slightly blend the edges to give it a soft, glowing effect. Add a thin, subtle smoke trail above the flame using a light hand. Keep it soft so it looks natural and not too harsh. Finally, highlight the glowing area around the flame and the top of the candle. You can gently lighten this area to create a realistic glow effect. And that's it, your burning candle drawing is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to follow ArtBeat Force for more easy and creative drawing ideas.